Okay, so a few nights ago I put this headlight in. You can see it looks like total shit, like holy body gap. Get off my car, you spider. Ooh, I killed it. Ew. Got a bunch of new parts in today too. Get out of here. Headlight's gonna look like shit for a little bit until I find a new big ass plastic piece here that goes around the whole car. I just gotta find a new one. I got to go to a junkyard for that because I don't know what this part's called, which this shouldn't be too hard to find a junkyard with plenty of these. I'm sure there's plenty of these cars around because most of them, they're not bad cars. Another problem with these is something in here. It's just the thermostat. All these Avengers, the thermostat's leak in them and then they overheat and the engines blow. I bought a shit ton of new retaining clips too. Ah, you bet. Ooh, bombs! Only got two little cases of them. But check this out. Oh shit, my soda's everywhere. Fuck, I thought this was empty. Guess not. Oops. Oh, you know what? I'll put this on my trunk. Boom. Beautiful. Tong Yang. What the fuck is that? Ooh. Check that shit out though. That's a lot nicer. Gotta put my Dodge logo in it. Get this shit out of here. Alright, this is the new radiator. Check that motherfucker out. Cool. There's my other headlight. Broken. I need this bitch and this whore. I found another one. Let's go in there for now. Cool. Let's see how this goes. Son of a bitch, man. Then it will come out. Oh, hey, it just came out. Cool. Oh, man. It's all scratched the fuck up. That goddamn deer. Good as new. It almost makes my car look less like shit. I still gotta replace the bumper. You know when people say new year, new me? Well, I'm tempted to start saying new year, new fucking car. It's so fucking lopsided. So I guess I'm taking the bumper off. Here's some really annoying shit about taking this bumper off. There's a bolt here, there's another one down there, and there's one in this little hole right here, right in there. Think I can drive around without a bumper on until I get a new bumper? Nothing annoying about that. Ah, my pants just ripped more. Cool. So look at this piece of shit bumper over here. Look at that big ass fucking crack. I could probably... I can't replace this today, but I'd like to. I might just leave it off anyway. Oh, fucking broke it. Just like the other one, I broke it. Whatever, it comes out now. Oh no, my headlight water. No, that's important. That's my blinker fluid. That's a lot of water. Holy shit. Oh shit, now I got a headlight shoe. that bolt was off, but it's not. I can't get it off without bending the fuck out of it. I'll just cut to when I get this fucking bolt out. All right, I finally got this motherfucker out. What? Bending. Oh, the clip fell out too. I just gotta bend that back into place. Ugh, good enough. Oh, Jesus Christ. Ta-da! Let's go test it. Well, I'm stopping where I'm at. Long story short, shit's fucked up. These headlights are in, but they work. That's all I need. But I can't do anything. This is all still gonna be fucked up. It's gonna look like this until I get a new radiator support. The entire thing. And that's like $317. And it's made of plastic. These headlights are attached to this. This headlight's attached to that. It's so fucking expensive and it's pissing me off. So I'm stopping where I am with all this shit off now so I don't have to fucking do it later. So I'm gonna have to take it all off anyway to get a new fucking radiator. That's so aggravating. How expensive that is for one piece of fucking plastic.